Friday, January 9th, 2026. I am in Taffville, the Taffville section of Norwich, Connecticut. I just got done doing another video like 2 minutes ago, and I'm changed the settings, and I'm going to grab some more video because it's getting cold, darker, and I want to get some different footage here. Let me go up this way, but it's getting so dark that the other video was just not going to fly. I hope this one is actually workable. I mean, it's getting dark so rapidly that I'm kind of worried that I'm not going to be able to get anything, but at least I think I got the video I shot prior to this, I fine. I think that's in the books, no problem. As I cruise up Providence Street in the Taffville section of Norwich, Connecticut. So let's see here. Yeah, this will bring me towards Harlan Road. I want to try to get some traffic-y situations if I can, with a lot of cars and headlights and stuff. I love those visuals. It's 4:31. I think sunset today is 4:37 p.m. It's currently 48 degrees, so it's warm for this time of year. Very warm for this time of year. So this is Merchants Avenue. This is going to dovetail into Harlan Road pretty soon. Extremely overcast day. Luckily, no rain or, drizzle that would kind of mess up the video. But it's getting dark so rapidly now, I'm going to have a tough time. And this red light up in front of us here is not helping at all. I need every second to get to just a decent area of a lot of cars, maybe out in the Norwich town area. Down by the Norwich Town Commons, the former Norwich Town Mall area. That was Cowlores used to be down there. Vernon Drug was there. A lot of really cool stores inside of the mall. Radio Shack. They had a record store. You could get on and buy record albums, I mean, in its day, that mall was a lot of fun. But it also drew everybody away from the city, which is unfortunate because it kind of killed, people shopping down city in Norwich. As I drive down Harlan Road. As the darkness descends on Norwich at a rapid pace. I think I'm going to take a right here because I can get stuck in traffic straight ahead down there, and that can be kind of rough. It can be a long wait. Sometimes you get 2 lights down there in a row. All right, let me take a shot down Coit Lane. I mean, this is my kind of video if it's coming out. That's a big if, because this thing is shutter speed and the frames per second and everything on this camera are locked. So this is a one-way street. I don't have to worry too much about going around corners, but I still do tend to hesitate around when I can't see a thing. Garbage can's right out there, or recycling bin. All right, that was Coit Lane. Beautiful house in front of us that was completely restored recently, and I mean really recently, like months ago. Right there, absolutely incredible. Historically significant property. Okay, take a right down Butts Lane. So we try to grab footage, 24 frames per second. Directly in front of us there is a place, a gun shop, pawn shop combination, right to the left there. As it really starts getting dark. Let me go through this mall. I mean, I just, call me crazy, but I like getting good-looking footage. And I consider this lighting, if my calculations are correct, to be good-looking footage. This time of day, it's late, sun is, right now, the sun is set, according to the time, and it's 4:37 p.m. right now, and that was slated to be sunset. I mean, obviously there's still ambient light because the sun, as it goes over the horizon, it's not the end of light. Let these people cross. It's not the end of light. The light shoots up. Past the horizon. So it's still, we're still getting the light from that right now. But that, once that sun goes down a little bit further, all of that ends rapidly. But anyways, this is the Norwich Town Common, some of the stores, Jersey Mike Subs, Verizon, Lucky House, whatever. There's different things. You can see Town, what's the name of that? Town Grill and Tap, 36 Town Grill. But it's, when I say it's getting darker rapidly, I mean, moment by moment, every 30 seconds that goes by is not hampering my chances of getting good footage, but it's just limiting things. My window of opportunity to record video is closing extremely quickly right now. Let's put it that way. But I do like the look. I like the lights, the headlights of cars, and let me pull through this center up here, this little mall. Edward and Mary Lord Family Health Center. Right there. M&T Bank, Hair Artists, United Community Family Services, Beyond Healthcare, other little businesses there. Chelsea Groton Bank across the street. And let's see if we can make it out of here. So 4:40 p.m. Wow, that thing says 37 degrees. That thermometer back there on that bank has been wrong for many, many months. many months. It's 10 degrees off. I mean, if anybody was to believe that, they would be, just painfully wrong. So, okay, I'm going to work my way down to Norwich town, and I'm just going to have to end the proceedings here because it's really getting dark quick. You got that beautiful Congregational Church directly in front of us. All right, let's catch some of this traffic on the left. The headlights reflecting off the wet road. I mean, that's gold as far as I'm concerned. From a visual video, aesthetically pleasing standpoint. I mean, I have no control over what is happening in front of me. I'm just driving and things change on a second-to-second basis. But if I get to a scene like this to the left, where with oncoming headlights properly exposed, that will look, to my eye, for my personal preferences, really good. I get really kind of stoked about video like that. A lot of people don't care. I care. Let me pull into this place for a second. Friendlies. I wanted to catch this at night because this is an old established 1935. Friendlies is something that, it's one of those places that's been around since I was a kid and way prior to that. And it may not be around forever, so let me grab... There's a good shot of the building right there. I did that the other day, but it was a different... I just like the lighting right now. Well, let's put it that way. I'm into the lighting. Okay. Wait for a little bit of traffic here. So yeah, the video's going to be ending real soon. I'll get some more traffic lights and maybe some of the businesses up here. I mean, I'm doing this basically at this point, the coolness factor of how does the video look. I mean, I need this green light. I gotta make this. This is big. All right, we made it. So I'm going to squeeze out every conceivable ounce of video. Let me pull into, let's say, mobile gas station. I use Shell, but the lighting here is nice. So let's get some of this. All right, there's a shot of mobile. I'm just, again, if my settings on this camera are what I think they should be, if it's proper and if it's done accurately in the way that I planned. Man, oh man, this is going to be tricky to get across here. I want to get Shell in here at night. Whew. If I was mobile, I'd cut down some of them shrubs, I'll tell you right now. Okay, there's Shell gas station right there at night. Ugh, that's a cool... If it's coming out, I hope so. Don't know, 100%. Can't be certain till I get home and look at the video. That structure right there is going to be a Dunkin' Donuts, former location of the Grange that they tore down. The historic Grange was torn down. There's the car wash at Shell. I mean, I think I'm at the end of my Let me cruise down here a little bit. I'll try to squeeze. You know something? Martial arts. This is pretty cool. See right there? There used to be an electrical business, but now it's a martial arts, you know, training and all this stuff. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'm getting greedy. Let's do something real crazy. How about driving into this? Whoa, I don't want to turn in there. There's too much mist. This car wash. I mean, this could be historically significant. Someday, this might matter. Let's line it up right there. Frame this thing up. I'll literally drive through this thing. I'm not going to wash my car right now, but you get the idea. So it's getting dark. Real dark. I'll frame up Ace Hardware and then pretty much call it a day. Let's see if I can slip through here. There's the side of that car wash over there for historic reference.